All right, so once you move them back down, you will find out that this arm here is stationary. It's not part of the whole assembly that moves up and down. So make sure you route your wiring away from that best scenario. Once you have everything removed off, you've got the new light bulb installed. Leave the wiring hanging out. Put the headlights back down manually, and then route your wiring, you do your zip ties and all that. Leave the painted covers off and just do a few dry runs to make sure nothing is hitting.